Hello and welcome to One Heart, One Brain. This video is a third of a series I named Dr. Joe Says, dedicated to my favorite sayings from Dr. Joe Dispenza, how I understand them, their importance for me, and how I put them in practice. This video is the last of a 3 series dedicated to my understanding of this quote from Dr. Joe Dispenza: "Where you place your attention is where you place your energy." I already shared that this quote helped me a lot in progressing my learning and in applying the teachings of Dr. Joe Dispenza. It helped me on so many different levels that I hope that sharing my humble understanding of what it means for me will also help you as much as it did help me. I consider this quote like a superpower to be unlocked in this wonderful game, the game of practicing Dr. Joe's teaching. I have a 3-level understanding of this quote: the thinking, the emotional, and the energetic levels. I already dedicated 2 videos to the first levels, the thoughts and the emotion. In this video, we are talking about the last level. Level 3, the energy. One of the most popular guided meditations from Dr. Joe Dispenza is named the Blessing of the Energy Centers, or BOTEC. This meditation is particularly popular among students of Dr. Joe for several reasons. It is beautiful to do, it is very powerful, and many people who have shared very inspiring testimonials about their healing mentioned this meditation helped them a lot overcoming their disease. Coming back to the quote from Dr. Joe Dispenza, "Where you place your attention is where you place your energy." This BOTEC is a meditation type that asks us to focus our attention on specific areas of our body and to feel the energy in these areas with our awareness. Dr. Joe names these specific areas the energy centers. There are 8 of them, 7 located in the body and 1 located above the head. To give you an analogy, for those who know, they correspond to a great extent to the chakras, although they are not identical. I would like to share with you my experience, or more accurately, my evolving journey of how I did put my attention on these energy centers. At the very beginning, when I was placing my attention just with my awareness, I was feeling exactly nothing. I tried and I tried and I tried. Nothing. I was feeling zero energy in these centers, no matter how strong I concentrated. So, at a certain point, I went into my think box, like Dr. Joe likes to call it, a time you spend outside of meditations to prepare and review how you want to meditate. In my think box, I imagined a way for me to feel the energy when my attention was placed on those centers during the meditation. Today, I'm very happy because I feel the energy. But it was a long road with several milestones, trying and exploring different ways. This is the road I took. I am just sharing here my humble experience, and by no means I pretend to say this is the right way. But this was my way to get there, and in the end, I reached my target and I can say it worked for me. I will use the reference of the kilometers to walk through this journey that I have taken. So let's start with the first kilometer. Kilometer 1. Find a drawing in which these energy centers are represented and locate them in your body. I looked at such drawing and I was using my hands to locate them physically on my body. I did that several times to ensure I will remember them during meditation. Kilometer 2. Assign colors to these energy centers. I got inspiration from the representation of the chakras, which all have different colors. I was rehearsing to remember these colors during my meditation. For me, I realized it was not the right way to go. I was too distracted during my meditations by thinking, what color is it again? Is it the right color? So I decided to try kilometer 3. Kilometer 3, imagine turning on light bulbs with my attention. I thought energy is often represented by light. So why not picturing a light like a light bulb? At least that way I don't have the colors to remember. I realized it was much better than kilometer 2. However, I could still not feel any energy. Then came kilometer 4. Imagine a moving and rotating ball of energy in each of these centers. I figured out that energy was not static, it had to move. So I was visualizing that the energy was moving in the center like a moving and rotating ball of energy. With that one, I was on to something. I started to feel warmth when I was placing my attention on the different energy centers. Then I attended the London week-long advanced workshop in August 22, and then I discovered I could go even 2 more kilometers. Kilometer 5. The rotating energy ball is pulsating. Sorry, I can't find a better image. I had the feeling that I had a heart pumping in each of these energy centers during my meditation. Kilometer 6. No more image, just pure energy. It is as if each center is filled with electric energy, and this energy is somehow moving. I don't know how to describe it. Kilometer 7, the void. This one is even more difficult to describe. Please bear with me and don't judge me if it is not clear. Words are difficult to find to explain this. In each energy center, I was feeling the void. It had nothing to do with the feeling nothing from the beginning of this journey. It is like feeling something that is nothing, but a void filled with frequencies and information. I picture this information like geometrical invisible patterns within patterns carrying orders of perfect health. Probably this picture is largely influenced by the kaleidoscope images shown by Dr. Joe during the event. So this was my journey so far. I am curious and I wonder what my next kilometers will be. I wish you to have a wonderful experience placing your attention on these energy centers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. It will help others get access to this content. Thank you.